Tired of the content treadmill? This is about shifting your business from content chaos to predictable client control. Most founders are told the problem is volume. Post more, post daily, chase the algorithm. This leaves founders stuck on the content treadmill, constantly posting, refreshing stats, and hoping something clicks. But here is the truth. More content doesn't fix a broken mechanism. You don't have a content problem. You have a mechanism problem. The real shift is moving away from the chaos of chasing likes to the predictability of a system. At Swarigio, our core philosophy is simple. Visibility without systems is just noise. We focus on building high-leverage infrastructure. We help you build a quiet lead machine, a back-end system that converts followers into high-paying clients automatically. Let's walk through how this predictable, step-by-step acquisition system works. First, attention flows into your system, generated from your content and social presence. Next, clear messaging and unique positioning act as the filter. We repel low-fit clients and magnetize the ideal one. These high-intent leads are then nurtured by psychology-backed content assets and scripts that pre-sell your high-ticket offers without you manually intervening. The result? Conversion. Trust is established, and aligned leads move into the pipeline, ready to become loyal, high-ticket clients. This system delivers more than just leads. It delivers stability and control back to your business. You gain true automation and predictability, ensuring qualified leads flow to your calendar 24/7, even when you're offline. Crucially, you move away from rented land, dependency on social media algorithms, and gain control by owning your data and lead independence. Stop letting surface-level content tactics consume your time. Swarigio acts as the architect, building this high-leverage automated back-end infrastructure for you. Ask yourself, are you building chaotic transactions, or are you building sustainable, predictable infrastructure? It's time to map your own back-end system. DM out it to @Swarigio or @Vishalbarai today.